Yeah, she was crying, and it is indeed emotional. It is very close to all our hearts, the fans who are, and especially for me as well, because I'm the son of a former top cop. Yeah, so for me, Madam Sir,
Thank you.
I can resonate with the character and the movie. So thank you. So my question first, of course, Madam Sir, aka Vartika, is a big one.
बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है मुझे बिल्कुल वैसे ही है मतलब ऑब्वियसली हम लोग आते थे बात भी नहीं करते थे करके आई डोंट नो पता नहीं टीम्स टुगेदर बिकॉज वी आर टीम बड़ी दीदी तो हमने हमारे बहुत सारे सीन एक साथ थे बहुत मजा आया एंड आई डिडंट फील लाइक इट वाज अ न्यू सेटअप आई वाज वर्किंग विद और आई वाज अ न्यू किड ऑन द ब्लॉक.
And you have did absolute justice to what we saw the glimpse. So wishing you the best and thank you so much.
Evil suits me.
And the good too.
Series, we need to up our game or need to do something more. Is it a pressure? That's one question, Huma. The same question to you. Joining an award-winning show like this. Again, is this just the story, but also the fact that the whole world is watching, just not our country?
100%. आई थिंक मेरे को तो तान्या अपूर्वा ने प्रॉमिस किया है नहीं लेके जाएंगी दिल मत तोड़ना गाइस मैं आज तक नहीं गई प्लीज नहीं 100% आई थिंक द होल वर्ल्ड इज वाचिंग एंड आई एम अ फर्म बिलीवर दैट द वर्ल्ड इज रेडी फॉर वेरी हाइपर लोकल इंडियन कंटेंट एंड स्टोरीज with a global lens, and that is what Tanuj has really tried to do with this show. And I think Delhi Crime from season 1, season 2 has shown that in a very real, holistic way, and I think season 3 is just taking that legacy forward. We are calling it the most thrilling season yet, and I think when you guys actually watch it, you could be in any part of the world. I think you would connect with it. A crime is something, I think it resonates no matter where you are. But the way, the lensing of this show, the way I think it's been shot, the way it's been directed, the way it's been written, the way it's been performed, and I think that's credit to the entire team sitting over here. We were very mindful of the fact that it's not just Indian content for Indian audiences. I think the idea is for more and more people in India to watch it, but also international. So when this script must have come to you also, this must have been a thing in your head, right? अभी आप दो एक्टर्स को बोलो कि बैटमैन और जोकर प्ले करना है तो कौन बोलेगा मुझे बैटमैन नहीं बनना है और किस एक्टर को जोकर नहीं प्ले करना है. So guys, this was it was a very good pitch, I must say, and here we are.
Thank you. Well, that's all the time we have for the Q&A. So thank you. And with that, may I request all of you to please step forward for a nice photo op. 9 days to go for the world to witness Delhi Crime season. Yes, we're getting those chairs off as well. The stage is set.